Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're talking about promissory notes and how getting the prep right protects both the lender and the borrower. This video is for anyone preparing a promissory note that someone will then take to a notary to sign. A promissory note is a written promise to repay a debt. One party lends money, the other agrees in writing to repay it on specific terms. Businesses use them, private lenders use them, even family members use them when they want a loan to be real and enforceable rather than a handshake. Notarizing the note strengthens its enforceability and verifies the signatures. So let's prepare it carefully because this is a document about money and money disputes can get ugly. So here's what to verify when you prepare this document. First, the principal amount, the sum being loaned. Then the interest rate, if there is one. Then the repayment schedule. Is it a lump sum on a certain date or monthly installments, and over what period of time? These must be present and agree with each other. And here's a specific trap. Many notes state the amount in both numerals and words. So $10,000 as a figure and $10,000 written out. If those two don't match, there's a legal ambiguity that a court may have to resolve. So check that the numerals and the written words say the same thing. Next, confirm both parties' full names and if there's collateral securing the loan, like a car, equipment, or property. Make sure it's clearly described. And note any late payment terms or default provisions, since those are what protect the lender if things go wrong. For promissory notes, witness requirements vary by state, so check yours. Now, here's something you'll run into with promissory notes specifically. A promissory note doesn't require notarization to be valid. It's a binding contract the moment both parties sign it. The borrower owes the money whether or not a notary was involved. Notarization is added on top voluntarily to verify the signer's identity and the date. So when your client wants a note notarized, they're doing it to make it harder to dispute later, not because the law forces them to. That matters because when you download one of these templates, you may find it has no notary block printed on it. A note without pre-printed notarial wording is still completely notarizable. The notary simply attaches a loose certificate. Now, here's the remote notarization advantage. The lender and borrower are frequently in different locations. Let's say a parent lending to a child across the country, business partners in different states. Remote notarization lets both parties appear and sign without anyone having to travel. So to summarize, document prep for this includes principal, interest, repayment schedule, numerals matching words, and collateral described. If you get those right, the promissory note will protect both the lender and the borrower, which is exactly what this document is for. Like, follow, and subscribe if this was useful. And remember, whether you're preparing documents or notarizing them, BlueNotary.us is where online notarization happens.